Hi and welcome to our channel. Today I'm standing in front of my 2018 Nissan Rogue. I'm gonna replace the front wipers, the two front. On the driver side is a 26-inch wiper and the passenger side is a 17-inch wiper. So I just bought this set of 3 wipers for the two front and 1 rear, and today I'm gonna replace the front wipers for you to see. So the original wipers like this, I don't know if you could see the small tap in here, right here. That's when you press toward you to and then you pull down the wiper to remove it. So before I do that, I'm gonna place the camera down and use both hands to remove it. So here it is. Gonna press this toward me, the tap in here, and then use my right hand to pull this down. There you go. And then I'm gonna replace with the new wiper that I bought from Amazon. It looks something like this. And then remove this protective rubber. That's one side. Now for the side I'm gonna do it right now. It's the same procedure. This is slightly different. There you go. Then you put it in like this. There. And for the rear wiper, I'm gonna create another video clip and show you how to do that. So thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe and also give it a like. Thank you. Bye.